Alright, so good morning, daydreamers. We're at Universal again today. Basically just taking a chill. I want to do some pictures, just shop around, hopefully try that annual pass holder chocolate Coca-Cola float that they have at Mel's Diner, which you have to specifically ask for, but it's only till the end of June. So yeah, we're just taking it as it goes. But as always, we take you along with me, and then we'll see you inside. Bye. So it is definitely going to be a very busy day today. The summer crowds are here. So Marilyn is out taking pictures. But yeah, no, the entrance way is kind of hard to tell, but like it's already a busy day. Let's see. We have Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey at 75 minutes. Transformers in 60 minutes. Jeez. Yeah, and then, oh, Hello Kitty's out. She's so cute. But yeah.
Halloween Horror Nights Maze/House on your right, one of them. That's how early they start. Halloween Horror Nights this September. Thanks, Colin Farrell. They use this area. Down that way, that's where that mattress commercial was filming, hence the hot set signs. And then as you can see, a lot of these facades, the windows get smaller as the buildings get taller. Now that's something we use called forced perspective. It's just a natural way to elongate those buildings so that it looks, you know, longer than it actually is. Disneyland does a really good job of that too, with like Star Wars Land, Cars Land, how it just makes it look so massive by making you at a lower angle. Now also, to your left, there's another little thing we use. This Rosamund Pike, they lived right next door to Bruce when they moved from New York down to the South. One of my favorite movies. Great. B-E-A-U. Now also, since we can't drive down our New York Street to your right, I want to show you what it looks like on a full day of a hot set, because it turns into about like a third footage. Just make sure you turn the flash off. And welcome to Scud.
Oh man, the bird! Creating about 50 minutes of a feature film. That amount of visual information, that number of pixels presented into the audience, it's a hell of a ride.
Now the minute that our was the Crawdaddy boat from us. There's the Transformers tank, about 75% plywood. And you're probably like, wait a minute, Braden, Fast and Furious cars, where are they? They use the most, right? And you are correct. However, they're currently filming Fast 10 right now in the UK. So some of them are over there. And then some of them are later on our tour. So no worries. This is the most popular franchise for Universal. So they're already planning a Fast 11. Our second most popular franchise. Can you guess? Such a lovely day. Oh no, we have company. Car to your next. If you thought they were bad, what after this big guy coming up to your left? He squirts the most water. Brace yourselves. Just kidding. You guys take direction very well though. That's a Halfosaurus. That's my friend TJ. Now the mobile Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. All right, breathe in and out. I survived. Earthquake. That is one of our. We also falling to the right-hand side. Let's go. So and I turn to I was just going to reset in about 5 seconds. I'm going to do this over and over again. Doing these episodes as an 8.5 on the Richter scale. You guys are heard it pretty well. You're like 3 Californians. Very chill. That's not George. But George is in the water still. So let's see how this plays out, shall we? But, George, somewhere. Can you hear me? Yeah. Would you look at that? George went bye. And we're gonna do the same. In fact, I think we'll be safe behind these flammable tanks of gasoline. We're fine as long as that top doesn't move. It's not moving, so we're good. Let's focus on it. Yeah, I don't mean to be dramatic, but this is the end. It's over. Say goodbye. Yes, yes. Oh. Now that is my good friend Bruce. That is his name. He's actually named after Steven Spielberg's lawyer. With Burt Reynolds, all those Aggies. It's also Rob Zombie's House of a Thousand Corpses, so it has a range.
Fucking jail.
Now also, happens to be right next door to Colonial Street. Just so you know, this street is never open. This is Wisteria Lane on Desperate Housewives 2. So get those cameras out so you can get those photos. This is Davy's neighborhood and Never Have I Ever. She's the lead in the show. Here's the Munster House in the purple, 1313 Mockingbird Lane. Here's Davy's house in the yellow. Matreyu Krishna plays her on the show. And then right here on your right, that is Brie Vandecamp's house. On your left, Felicity Huffman playing Lynette Scavo. There's a 100-year-old eucalyptus tree growing inside her house, just to give you an idea how real they are. Now at the very end though, Evie Britt, Nicola Sheridan, she's kind of the troublemaker of the group. Her house is partially practical, so you can actually bring in furniture. Saves a lot of time. So as you can see, both sides of the street curved pretty dramatically to make it look like it goes on a little longer when you're watching from home. In fact, we're going to be in this shot right now, playing the part of Terry Hatcher. We are on TV to your right. Boom.
If there is one thing everyone in suburbia can appreciate, it's a good neighbor.
The Leave It to Beaver house on your left from the movie, not the TV show. That's elsewhere. Nancy Drew, the Hardy Boys, the Matlock house, and then at the very corner, if you're a fan of the Neighbors movies, Neighbors 2 with Zac Efron, Seth Rogen, they use that house, 1312, with the orange trimming. See, and the yellow, right next door to a Decepticon car. And then, good thing that they're cars, because this neighbor is a little sketch. Oh yes. This is Norman Bates territory. This is definitely the most famous area on our backlot. Psycho stars Janet Leigh and Anthony Perkins. And you guys, he's home. Look at that. Norman Bates, these are my tram friends, Norman Bates. Now, just between you and me, have you seen the movie? He's Cocoa Puff's crazy, right? So if he comes out here again, we gotta be chill. Cause that's a body. And this is the crime scene now. And we're officially witnesses. Oh, hello there. We're just discussing our lunch plans. We might take off, actually. Go, we got children on board. Let's get out of here. Oh no, Julian, I don't know if we're gonna make it on time. Car 4, I'm worried for you. Don't you do it. So close. That was a really close call. I'm so sorry, Car 4. We almost lost you. Now, the Sango house on our left, by the way. And behind this Sango house, kind of the messiest backyard, I don't know, ever. Now, this is from The War of the Worlds, Steven Spielberg's movie. Only Steven would be like, we're going to buy a plane for $60,000.
Don't tell me he's actually coming.
For 200 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the movie for 4 minutes.
And then here's another maze. Rumor is that it will be the La Llorona maze. Let's see if they have the chocolate Coca-Cola float. Okay, it's the end of our day here at Universal. As I said, we basically came just so I can do some photos and walked around. We did try that chocolate Coca-Cola float. Very disappointing to say the least. It did not look like the picture, like really not look like the picture. Not a fan, not a fan. But yeah, so just walked around. Now we're just gonna go through City Walk. But otherwise, it being crowded, the weather was actually nice and just an overall good day. But as always, I'll take you along in the next adventure that we'll see you later. Bye!